All right, we got a Fuji Pro Image Plus. We're gonna try and scan. Go ahead, press.
It's initializing. This high quality.
Yeah, we had a little issue of it got a little hungry. So.
Start.
By the way, this is not sped up. This is real time. I think it's working. This thing takes forever.
I think it's gonna go in the trash. I do see some letters, some words here. Here's our logo.
Yeah.
So on images, it doesn't know what to do with an image, apparently.
For like rescaling?
I don't know.
We'll find out. This is a real joy and treat in life. This is not double-sided like that paper is. Just like to clarify, I did the bottom side of that paper.
Yeah, here we go. Let me cut it.
Wow. Back when you had to cut paper. This is a real hype moment, folks.
Look at that quality. It's like a fax of a fax. I think it's officially worse than a fax.
All right, can I see the? This is what we requested. Perfect. A plus. So glad we did this.
Modern copiers don't have anything on this thing.
Absolutely not.
All right, trash it is.
Trash it is.